Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a pizza cake. This is one that I think absolutely every cake decorator in the world has made at one point. However, I just wanted to make my own version, so let's get started.
After a lot of thought, I decided to make a cookie cake instead of a regular cake. I already have posted this recipe for vanilla cookie cutouts, but I'm reposting here. We need 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, a quarter teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar. Begin by creaming the butter. Add sugar and vanilla and beat together. Then beat in the egg. Add the flour, baking soda, and salt. The dough will initially be very dry. Continue to beat until it begins to clump together slightly. Then knead the dough briefly to get it to stick together. Then, on a lined baking sheet, press a good baseball-sized piece of dough into a rough circle, shaping it with your fingers. Roll it if you need to, and shape the edges to be smooth. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Since this piece is so large and thick, I ended up needing closer to 15 minutes. The cookie should no longer be shiny. Once the cookie was cool, I added a bit of buttercream on the cake board to get it to stick. Then I put uncolored buttercream in a piping bag without a tip, and I colored some buttercream red with a bit of brown to get a sauce color. Then I piped some bread around the edges and spread it towards the middle so it isn't too thick. Then I piped a squiggly edge around the cake with white, and I filled in the middle with the rest of the white. I smoothed it on with an offset spatula. Finally, I piped some circles on top with red to look like pepperoni. I think this cookie cake turned out adorable. It's perfect for the pizza lover. Very easy to make and goes really quickly. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.